kids, today we will try to understand difference between xylem and phloem. So पहले समझते हैं xylem and phloem होता क्या है. Xylem and phloem conducting tissues है plants के. Okay, they are meant for conducting water and food from one part of the plant to other part of the plant. Okay, now let's discuss the difference. Xylem. Xylem is a tissue which conduct water and minerals from root to different part of the plant. Phloem is a tissue which conduct food from leaves to different part of the plant. Okay. Xylem is made up of dead cell. Phloem is made up of living cell. Xylem conduct water and mineral in unidirection. Root से other part of the plant. Phloem conduct food to all the part of plant. So it is bidirectional. Xylem has a thick cell wall. Phloem has a thin cell wall. ओके सो ये था डिफरेंस बिटवीन जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगती है सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प मी एंड इट विल एनकरेज मी टू मेक more and more such video. Thank you so much.